Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Play Boosters. We've got Mind Transfer Protocol, Hamato Guardian Stance, Mauser Attack, Anchovy and Banana Pizza, Cowabunga, Mauser Mark III, Putrid Pals, Genghis Frog, Quintessential Katana, Wingnut Bat on a Belfry. Ooh, we got Raphael, Ninja Destroyer for a special art. That's cool. We got Transdimensional Bovine for our rare. Bespoke Bow for our foil. An illegitimate business for our land. Mutant / Robot for Duggan. We got Shredder's Revenge. Retro Mutation, Null Group and Biological Assets, Guac and Marshmallow Pizza, excuse me, April O'Neil Konichi Trainee, Slithering Cryptid, Squirtlenoids, Hard One Jite, Karai, Future of the Foot, Mona Lisa, Science Geek, Raphael, Tough Turtle, Madame Knoll, Power Broker for a rare, Frog Butler for a foil, Illegitimate Business for our land, and a Food / Ninja Turtle Spirit. Duckin. Plastic Magic, can we get some? Frog Butler, Pain 101, Uneasy Alliance, Buzzbots, Mutant Chain Reaction, Southern Cryptid, Foot Mystic, Shredder's Armor, Venus Torn Between Worlds, Turtle Blimp, Janika, Bad Apple with Big Sister. Dawn and Leo, Problem Solvers. Nice. That's cool. Saved Ready the Shell for our foil. TCRI Building for our land. And Mutant / Robot Gun. Well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.